How to recover your Ubisoft account. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can recover your Ubisoft account. So let's dive in. First, you have to come to your browser and search for Ubisoft, and then you have to click this first link. Just right click on it and then click open link in new tab. I've already opened it to cut the loading process, and now on this page you have to click this icon on the top right corner and it's going to bring you to this menu. You have to wait for this page to load, and once this page loads you simply have to click forgot your password, and then it's just going to take you to another page, and here you have to just enter your email address over here. Once you put in your email address, click I'm not a robot over here and then click submit, and then it's just going to take you to this page, and now you can see you have received an email with a link to reset your password. The email that you put in was the email that they have sent the link to, so just go to your email and then choose to reset your password, and then you can just enter the new password and log in into your account. And that's the process that you can follow to recover your Ubisoft account. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.